Tornado warning for southeastern Fayette County, Ohio, northeastern Highland County, western Ross County, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:51 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Hillsborough. Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Fayette County, Ohio, northeastern Highland County, western Ross County, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:51 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Hillsborough, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-sized hail. Tree damage is likely. Radar indicated location. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Hillsborough, Greenfield, Leesburg, Bainbridge, Frankfort, South Salem, in a vehicle, moving to the closest substantial shelter and from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov and submit your report via social. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Fayette County, Ohio, northeastern Highland County, western Ross County, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:51 p.m., a severe thunderstorm over Hillsborough, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-sized hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Hillsborough, Greenfield, Leesburg, Bainbridge, Good Hope, Frankfort, South Salem, Bournville, East Monroe, Samantha, Waynesboro, Lauderdale, Austin, Paint Creek State Park, Rock Mills, and New Martinsburg. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.